Hello everyone, I am Shubham and this is Manish. We are students of Triple IT Delhi and we are working on a project on intruder detection and alert systems that could be used in homes or offices.
So our objective while working on this project was to develop a home security system which is smarter than the other commonly available security systems.
To do this, we have used an ensemble of hardware components such as sensors, wireless transceivers, and processors that in effect make our system respond to security threats and security breaches in a more effective and faster way, especially when compared to popular technologies such as CCTVs.
So the setup that we have shown here is only for the demonstration purposes, and in a real world scenario the components of this system would be placed more intelligently.
So now let's have a look at how this system responds to different kinds of situations and different kinds of security threats.
So as you can see in the first case, a friendly visitor visits the home premises. He notices nobody is around. He also tries to ring the bell, but after that he goes back. Consider another scenario. Here the homeowner visits his own home. He inputs the password for the security mechanism via the password input system as shown here. This deactivates the home security system and then he proceeds to unlock the door and enter successfully. Hence, no intruder alert is sent in this case.
So this is the final scenario where an intruder breaks into the house and the laser LDR combination detects it.
So these are the hardware components that we talked about. This is the microcontroller, which is connected to this light-dependent resistor. So for this demonstration, we have kind of shown this to be as a doorway. So an obstruction of this laser beam would assume to be an intrusion inside the home premises. Now this is the PC that Labio installed, which is monitoring this COM port and which is obviously receiving signal from the transceiver connected to this microcontroller. Over there, what we have is the user's PC as well as the user's mobile phone. Now, both of these are connected to the internet, and the phone is assumed to have push mail. So, any notifications regarding intrusions or the password inputs would be received on both of these systems.
So as you can see here, the demonstration is ready. As soon as this laser beam is obstructed by anybody, so this will send a message to the Zigbee transceiver and it will send a message to this Zigbee transceiver which is connected with PC with LabVIEW and which then send an appropriate email to the homeowner. So now as soon as the laser is obstructed by any person, so now this will send an email to. So now as you can see the flow of the LabVIEW. So this will take time to detect the message from that Zigbee transceiver. As you can see here, the intruder alert has been detected and an email has been sent to the homeowner. As you can see, the email has been received by the homeowner and here also in the mobile.
Now, such a system is of immense relevance in today's world, according to us at least. We've all read the Gartner reports that say that about 25 billion devices would be connected by the end of 2020. However, we're not a long way away from 2020, but most of the implementations of IoT protocols and IoT systems in general are mostly about wearables or home automation systems. So, in this project, what we feel is that we're moving a step towards the IoT dream, if we may call it that.
So primarily this project was designed to be used for home security purposes, but this system can also be installed for security of offices, banks, etc. Apart from the main doors, this system can also be installed at other possible entry points like windows, back doors, garage doors, etc. And for this project we have also used some sensors which offers great flexibility, which enables this system to protect property against wild animals. Hence, such system could also be of help to owners of like food storage warehouses.